Today we are going to discuss about the concepts of functions. So once again, you say functions in C language. Whatever may be the language, but specifically the C language, there are two different aspects. What is called a function declaration, and second one is function definition. These are two important aspects of a function declaration and function definition. So what function declaration states and what function definition gives. So when you speak about function declaration has the following aspects. What is called the return data type. You say return data type, function name, you say function name, and then you will have arguments or parameters. Arguments list. So these are the different aspects of the function declaration. You say the return data type, function name, and the arguments list, and you terminate with a semicolon. So this forms what is called the declaration, or in some of the books they say the prototype declaration. They call it as prototype. Some books they refer to as function signature also. So what I mean to say is, in case of the function declaration, or you say the prototype, or you say the signature, we get an idea about what is the return type of data and what is the function name and what are the arguments list. Number of. So for example, if I write a function prototype declaration like int, I write int fact and I write int and I close it. So this is one example for function declaration. So what I am saying is the return data type is int. What I get out of the function is int. The name of the function is fact, and it is only accepting only one argument. That's what I stated it as int. It's a data type. So by looking at the function declaration, you will get an idea about what are the essential aspects of a function. As I said, what is the return data type and what is the name of the function, how many arguments you need to say, and also what are the different types of arguments. For example, if I take another function declaration only for an example only, I say the return data type is int, and I say details, the name of the function is details, right? I write here one integer parameter, and I say one float kind of parameter, one I say the character. So this is another example. So in the second example, you say that the return data type is integer and the name of the function is details and the number of parameters it is sending. So I said first parameter is integer, second parameter is a float, and third parameter is a character type of data. So by this what I say is the function declaration gives an idea about what is the return data type, what is the function name, and the argument list. Then coming to what is called function definition. So function definition, it means it is the block of statement, the code block of statements, or you say the code which realizes, the code for realizing a function. So for example, I have already written a function let us say I am writing a function called int fact. So the number of arguments I give to a factorial is only 1, and I write the code like this. Let us not get into the details of why the code is written like this, but you pay attention to only the concepts of what it is. So I write it as f is f into I, and I write here return f. I am writing that this is called the function definition. This is the definition aspects of a function. So for the factorial, I have written the return dot type is into fact, and it is only taking one parameter. And I said these are the statements which constitute the code. So this forms what is called function definition. So and hence the two important aspects of a function, like function declaration, it gives an idea about what are the essential aspects of the function, and function definition, where the code of the function is written. In my subsequent lecture, I speak how we have to write the function and what are the other aspects of the function. Thank you.